New at 10, a vote to ban government vaccine mandates in Menomonee Falls.
This comes after President Biden issued sweeping rules for federal workers and many companies. Stephanie Haines live in Menomonee Falls with the results of this vote. Steph.
It was a 5-2 vote. The resolution passed in favor of preventing village employees from being required to get the COVID-19 vaccine. And some said this is about personal freedoms. Others said it sends the wrong message. And others say that it doesn't apply because the president's order doesn't extend to non-federal government employees. During a Menomonee Falls Village Board meeting Monday night, there was a proposal on the table. It would prevent village employees from being required to get the COVID-19 vaccine.
I encourage the board to reject this resolution as unenforceable and inappropriate. Thank you.
I'm here tonight to urge you, implore you, to unanimously support and pass the resolution.
The resolution states in part, quote, Village of Menomonee Falls employees will not be required to receive the COVID-19 vaccination. Village trustee Steve Taggart wrote the proposal with trustee Paul Tata. Taggart suggested he is not against the vaccine. Instead, he's against any mandate.
I'm a business owner myself, so I've heard from quite a bit of the business community. The healthcare community has reached out to me and just expressed a lot of negative feedback towards vaccine mandates.
Some people in the village said they are against the resolution because they say they don't like the message it sends.
And so right now all it's doing is introducing confusion into the village and making people think that they don't have to get vaccinated when really we want more people to get vaccinated.
The resolution mentions President Biden's order that companies with 100 or more employees must require vaccinations or get a weekly COVID test. As of right now, federal guidelines for the order have not yet been released. The village attorney noted it's not yet clear if OSHA's rules about the vaccine will apply to public employees.
Whether this resolution is passed or not, the village manager, and if OSHA does issue the rule, and that rule is applicable to public employers in Wisconsin, the village manager will be required to comply with that rule, as I understand this ordinance.
This was something Village President David Glasgow noted. He was one of 2 trustees who voted against the resolution. He raised a concern about the resolution encouraging other employers in town to follow suit.
What message are we telling them by virtue of this resolution? To ignore OSHA regulations, to ignore the mandate? Again, irrespective of one's personal position on this.
Menomonee Falls doesn't have its own health department, but state data shows that close to 50% of all people in Waukesha County are fully vaccinated. Live in Menomonee Falls, Stephanie Haines, TMJ4 News.